Hello, welcome to the Introduction to Sales session. Let's begin. What is sales? Let us understand through an example in an apparel store scenario. Hi, I want to buy a black top. Sure, ma'am, we'll help you. Referring to the example, the one who has come to buy the top is called a buyer, and the one who is going to sell the top is called a seller. Thanks for helping. We'll buy this top. Please bill it. Sure, ma'am. Did you see? The buyer exchanged money for the top and the seller exchanged top for the money. A sale is an act of selling where there is an exchange of products, services, and ideas for money or other compensation between a buyer and a seller. Now, selling could be of anything. It could be for car, could be mobile laptop, apparel, grocery, flight services, house, hospital services, anything. I understand selling products, yes, but can you sell services also? Of course, selling services and products. Services at restaurants like quick response for waiters, services at entertainment places like theaters and malls, services to activate your SIM card, services on flight like warm welcome, respectful communication, services at hospital like attentive and safe practices by doctors and nurses, and many more. And products, of course, white goods, grocery, stationery, car, house, and many more. So do remember, selling is not only about selling products, it's also about giving attention, knowledge, empathy, time, value, suggestions. Thank you and happy learning.